Hey friends, today we're going to show you how to set up a Rite in the Rain inner pack for display at your store. First, you'll need to open the top flap and fold it back. Then carefully tear off the face along the perforated line. Fold back the lid, note the fold line to extend the logo tab. Tuck the lid into the inner pack, making sure it tucks into the cutout in the back. The header has a spot for a price sticker. If your inner pack is going into a display, we highly recommend you hide the header lid completely in the inner pack for a cleaner presentation. Simply remove the products, tuck the lid into the pack, and replace the product. Price stickers can be applied to the top and bottom of the display in the areas provided.